Hello and welcome to Ministry of JavaScript. Okay, so on our screen we do have a constant variable of number with a value of 10.85, and what I want to do is I want to perform a round uh, action on this number. So to do that we do have a method of math object which is math.round, and inside the argument we will pass our number. Then as you can see that it has round our number to 11. Why? Because it is greater than 0.5, and if I come over here and write 10.35, then it will round our number to 10, and it did, right? So this is the round method of math object. For example, what you want to do is you want to remove all the decimal value from the number, from your number. Then how can you do it? Well, we do also have a method for this stuff, and that is called trunc. Okay, so as you can see that it has completely removed all the decimals from our number. And we do have another method. For example, what we want to do is we want to round our number. For if we have a number of 10.35 in decimal, like 10.35, 10.55, or 9.55, 9.35, and what we want to do, we want to round that number to the next largest number. For example, what I want is I want to round this number from 10.35 to 11, right? So then how can I do that? For that we do have a method which is called ceil. Then as you can see it has round our number to 11. If I come over here and write 7.35, then it will round about the number to 8. All right, and we also do have a method of math which is called floor. Oh, what does the floor do? Basically, if I come over here and write floor, okay, so what it will do, it will return the greatest integer less than or equal to its numeric argument. For example, if I come over here and write something like this, -7, then it will return -8. Why -8? Because -8 is less than minus 7.35. So these are some of the very useful methods of math which you can use to perform any operations related to all these. And there are a lot of methods of math. You can take a look on them on MDN web docs. I will add the link inside the description. So let's move toward the two more method of math, that which is let me just remove it, which is max and min. So what it will do, if I come over here and write const array 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, right? And what I want to do, I want to find the the largest number inside this array. Then how can I do that? Well, for that we can use the max method of math. Let me just wrap it up inside console.log. Alright, and if you can see that inside the parameter, it is getting the number of an array with a sort of rest properties. So we can also be able to pass our array along with the spread operators. So it will receive our array as a rest parameter, right? So if I will come over here and write triple dot and arr, then as you can see that it has returned me 6. If I come over here and write 11, then it will return me 11. Similarly, to the max, if we want to get the minimum number, smallest number from our array or from our list of numbers, then we can replace our method from max to min. Then as you can see that it has returned me 1. If I replace this 1 with 0, then it will return me 0, and it did return me 0. So these are the very useful method of math. You can use this So that's it from this video. I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.